Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be lesson number 3 with we're gonna continue with our factory IO. I'm learning as I go, and as I go I like to share what I just did with you. Maybe it's gonna be helpful for someone, and if you guys want me to go in more into details, please let me know, comment below, and we can learn from each other. I can share how I did it. Maybe you can do it better. Please share it with me. I'll be interested to see how you guys think about that. So let's get on it, shall we? So today is gonna be this tank. We're gonna have two valves. That's one of the valves, and that's the other one. That's gonna be the fuel valve, and this is gonna be discharge valve. And that's our control. Don't worry about the timer right now. We're just gonna use the two buttons. There is also two lights on the buttons like in the previous video. The light will be on as the valve is on. The green one will be fuel. Let's get a closer look on this guy. There you go. The green one will be fuel, and it's normally open, kind of like a start button. It's just we change the name. And then we have the discharge button, which is normally closed. And why I'm saying that is because you guys gonna see in the logic that, but for that later. So let's go back. Still trying to figure out this navigation, but I'm using the fly camera. It's kind of nice. You can use WASD to move around and scrolling going up and down. So from the left side is the logic behind it. So what we have here is we have the two buttons, and like you can see, the fuel button is our kind of the green button, the start button is normally open. Then we have a timer off delay. Now with this program it's a little different, so I would like your input if you guys know why is that. So when you go to timer, you don't see timer on delay, timer off delay. It's all these weird names, or maybe I'm weird and I just don't know. But if you guys know why they are named like that, or what this means, please let me know. What I'm doing is I'm basically experimenting till I get the right timer, which is kind of silly, but that's what I'm doing for now. And then we have memory bit I'm using, and then after that we have fuel valve and the light, and on the bottom we have the discharge valve and the discharge light. So let's see how this is gonna play for us. So we're here, we're gonna start it, and like you can see, the light is on, the valve is open, and now we'll start filling it up. So using the timer, like you can see, I time it for about 20 seconds or 21 seconds, and that's gonna give us about halfway up. Once the light turns off, basically the valve will close, like you can see it on the logic as well. And then we're gonna press it one more time to fill it all the way to the top. Like you can see right here, we're timing right now. And the light is on, the valve is on. Boom, all the way to the top. Now if we want to discharge it, very interesting, you guys can see the valve moving actually. Once we press it, our logic becomes true. And if you notice, the time is different, and that's because here the water is pushing down. The animation is very realistic, so it's more volume discharging than the volume coming down. And once there is less water, less volume is going because it's less to push on it. I hope that makes sense. So I time it about 28 seconds, then we're gonna push it one more time, and we're gonna get rid of all of it. Well, that's pretty much for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next time with more interesting stuff, so stay tuned.